today we are going to make some experiments. The children want to make some crystals, so let's have a look at how we're going to do that. Here we've got all our chemicals that we're going to use.
For my crystal,
And yeah, let's start. First, we're going to take 50 ml of hot water. And then we're going to add potassium alum, 20 ml, to the mixture. You can add it. And then we need to dissolve it. Do you want to just dissolve it there for us? Alexander will be stirring it so that it will dissolve. And both of them have got their gloves on to be protected. Is it dissolving? Okay, once it is dissolved, we're going to add some colorants to it, just normal food colorants. Just open it up for them. Just a drop or two. So Alexander's going to put a drop in there, just a drop. Okay, that's enough. Put the rest back in here. Okay, then we're going to stir it again. You guys are stirring it because they want to make a yellow crystal today. Stir it a little bit more, just so to make sure that everything's dissolved. Once everything is dissolved, we're going to pour everything into this petri dish, and then we're going to leave it for 24 hours on a sunny place so that it can actually become crystallized. That's enough? That's enough. Just take it. There we go. So we'll show you a little bit later on in 24 hours what the crystals will look like. Thank you so much. So stay tuned. We're going to make a crystallized star next. Welcome back. Now we are ready to make our crystallized star. So we're going to take some of the potassium alum. We're going to put 9 milliliters of that into a little jar. And then we're going to put the gypsum powder. So be careful when you use gypsum powder not to breathe it in. We're going to take 25 ml of this and also put it in a container. Now we throw the two of them together and Alexander's going to mix them all up for us. He's mixing them just to see that everything is mixed in well. And then we're going to add 12 ml of water and just a couple of drops of colorants because we're going to make a little blue star. So we're going to put blue food colorants in there. And yeah, Victoria, you can add the water, but we need to mix it very quickly. So have your mold that you're going to put your mixture in ready, and put the water in and mix. And we add the drops of food colorants in there. I'll just put a couple of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix, 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 mix. Very quick, very quick. See that everything is mixed through. Is it mixed through? A little bit more. And pour it in. It's not mixed through. Okay, pour it in, pour it in. Okay, if it's in the star, then that should be perfect. Now we're going to leave it to dry for an hour, and then we'll show you what to do next when we get back. So stay tuned. And an hour has passed and our sparkling star is fully dried now. We've tipped it over into our little bowl that we've got available here. Then we took 150 ml boiling water and we added 25 ml potassium plus a little bit of colorants also. You can show them. It's in there. There we go. And now we've waited for it to cool down. Now we're going to throw it over our star in that little bowl. Throw it over the star. Throw it over the star. There we go. All over the star. There we go. All out. Okay. Now we're going to leave it to dry. And we're going to cover it with cling film for 24 hours. And then we'll remove the cover and leave it for another 72 hours to dry completely for our crystallized star to be finished. So we'll show you later on in the, well, most probably next week, what has happened there. So that's it for us for today.
And give us a big